Hi, welcome to Condo Eats, and today we are making Thai basil chicken, also known as Gai Pad Krapao.
Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig